Imagine you're a business owner, juggling a million tasks at once. You've got clients to manage, projects to oversee, and a team to coordinate. Wouldn't it be great if there was a tool that could help you keep everything organized and under control? That's where Wrike comes in. But can it really handle the complexity of customer relationship management? CRM? Let's dive in and find out. Section 1. What is Wrike? Wrike is a cloud-based collaboration and project management software. It's designed to help teams work together more efficiently, track progress, and stay organized. But can it also handle the nuances of CRM? Let's break down what a CRM is and see how Wrike stacks up. Section 2. What is a CRM? A CRM is a software application that helps businesses manage customer interactions and data. It's a central hub for storing information about customers, leads, sales opportunities, and more. Key features of a CRM include contact management, lead management, sales pipeline management, customer support, marketing automation. Section 3. Wrike's CRM capabilities. While Wrike isn't a dedicated CRM, it does offer several features that can be helpful for managing customer relationships. Contact management. You can create and store contact information, add notes, and assign tasks to specific contacts. Lead management. Wrike's task management features can be used to track leads through your sales pipeline. Sales pipeline management. You can create custom workflows to visualize your sales process and track progress. Customer support. Wrike's collaboration tools can be used to assign and track support tickets. Section 4. Wrike's strengths and weaknesses. Strengths. Customization * Wrike offers a high degree of customization, allowing you to tailor it to your specific needs. Collaboration * Wrike's collaboration features make it easy for teams to work together on projects. Integration * Wrike integrates with a variety of other business applications, including email, calendar, and marketing automation tools. Weaknesses. Steeper learning curve * Wrike can be more complex to learn than dedicated CRM solutions. Limited reporting * Wrike's reporting capabilities may not be as robust as those of dedicated CRM solutions. Section 5. Is Wrike right for your business? Whether Wrike is the right CRM for your business depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for a flexible and customizable solution that can handle both project management and some CRM functions, Wrike may be a good option. However, if you need a dedicated CRM with more advanced features and reporting capabilities, you may want to consider a specialized solution. Section 6. Alternatives to Wrike. If you're looking for a dedicated CRM, here are a few popular options. Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoho CRM, Microsoft Dynamics 365. Wrike can be a valuable tool for managing customer relationships, but it's important to understand its limitations. If you need a dedicated CRM with advanced features and reporting capabilities, you may want to consider a specialized solution. Ultimately, the best CRM for your business is the one that meets your specific needs and budget. Do your research, evaluate your options, and choose the solution that will help you achieve your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.